Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. It's been a rainy and drizzly and windy day here in the Canadian Maritimes. You can see that I got a lot of sticks that are down in my yard here from our little windstorm we had. Nothing, it wasn't anything crazy, but it was enough to knock some sticks down. Anyway, in today's video, I want to cover a terminology, especially if you're new to DXing and chasing DXpeditions. And you may see it on the DX clusters. A posting and then somebody putting QSX. So what does Quebec Sierra X-ray stand for? Especially when you see it on a DX cluster. Well, that tells us, the chasers of the DXpedition, that the DX station is listening on a different frequency than they're transmitting on. So we call that split. You'll hear it, hey, they're working split, or up 5 or up 10. So you'll see it in the DX clusters. QSX up 5, QSX up 5 to 10, made the odd time QSX down 5. That tells us that that DX station is listing 5 kilohertz up or 5 kcs up from the frequency that's posted on the cluster. So you'll see something like Echo 77 Delta X-ray, 28410, QSX up 5. So that tells you that you have to transmit your signal to them 5 kilohertz up, because they're listening on a different frequency than what you're listening on. We call it split, and there you go. That's what QSX means. It shall, if it's a statement, I am listening on such and such frequency, or if it's a question, is such and such station listening on this frequency. QSX. There's your Q code for the day. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Hope you guys enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them and editing them for you. We'll talk to you guys in the next video, whenever that will be on a topic. I still don't know what it's going to be about. Well, it'll be about something. So, see you later.